how to show or don't show notifications on the lock screen for a specific app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, go down and tap on advanced settings. Then go down to the bottom and tap on manage notification categories for each app. Make sure this toggle button is switched on. Then tap on the back key at the top and then tap on app notifications. Next, we go down the list of apps here and open up an app that you want to change. So I'm going to open up messages. Then we scroll down and tap on notification categories. Then in here, I'm going to open up incoming messages. Then we scroll down and on the lock screen, so tap on the lock screen. From the pop-up, you can choose to show the content, hide content, or don't show notifications. So let's take a look at each one of these options. So here I'm going to choose show content. And you can see here if I send myself a text. So here I'm going to send some random message here. And on my lock screen, I should be able to view the content. So I can view my notification along with the content in that notification. And now if I switch it off, so here I'm going to switch it off. So I will choose hide content, and on the lock screen, I still can view these message notifications, but if I tap on it, it will not show the content. And lastly, I can choose to hide the content. So here I'm going to select don't show. So I'm going to select don't show content or don't show notifications at all. So you can see here if I lock my screen, it does not show my messages notifications. But if I go into my home screen, I do actually see my notifications from the status bar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.